There are some questions we all wonder about. For example, how did the earth on which we live come to be? When did that happen? Was it always the way we see it today, or has it undergone changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? On the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust speed was formed in space. Its circular motion and great speed caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the Sun and the planets which revolve around the Sun. The names of these planets are 1 Mercury, 2 Venus, 3 Earth, 4 Mars, 5 Jupiter, 6 Saturn, 7 Uranus, 8 Neptune. Beginning of life on the Earth. Among these planets, the Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of the Earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appeared in water. They are known as protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things developed from these unicellular ones. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. We need a microscope to see them. The animal world on the Earth. The living world on the Earth consists of plants and animals. Here, we shall take into account the animal world. The following are some of the main characteristics of animals. 1. Animals breathe. 2. Animals move in order to get food or for other purposes. 3. Animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. Animals of some other species give birth to their young ones.